in today's lesson, you are learning once again about the schwa sound. So we are focusing on the sound, the short sound coming at the end of a word. And if you hear at the end of a word, spell it with an A. If you hear at the end, spell it with an A. Okay, and that's what you're learning today. So our schwa sound, well, let me put it this way. All the vowels can make the schwa sound. Today you're focusing on when the A at the end of a word says And you have many words that end with You have my name, Tanya, Alaska, Santa, Nebraska. There's so many states that have at the end. So let's get into our learning today. All right, I'm going to share my whiteboard with you. I do not have the fancy tablet. I have my whiteboard. So if at all it's illegible and you're not reading my words, just tell me to write bigger, or I'll make a plan. But it should be okay. So in today, I want you to remember the jingle that April might have taught you previously, but that she reinforces in this lesson, that I would like to reinforce in this lesson, is that when you hear at the end, spell it with an A. When you hear at the end, spell it with an A. When you hear at the end, spell it with an A. Okay, so the word we're going to work on together is maba. Maba. A. Mark your vowels. A. Put your consonants in. A. This vowel must say its short sound. Can it say its short sound at the moment? No, it can't, because there is only one vowel. One consonant afterwards. The moment there's a tap 2, there is a vowel in the next 1 or 2 taps. So I need to add a consonant. If there's not 2, make 2. Now it can say And when you hear at the end, spell it with an A. And we mark the schwa sound like that with an upside down E. So these two sounds are identical. They say exactly the same thing. They just written differently because the one is the schwa sound and the one is the short sound, but they both say the same thing. Okay, I'll show you an example. Umbrella. So we have the short sound at the beginning of the word, but we have the sound. Oh, have I written that right? Yes, I have. Okay, we have the sound at the end, and it's saying exactly the same sound. It's just marked differently. Okay, what I want you to try now is I want you to try duffer. Go ahead and put in for me duffer. Put it in the Q&A. Duffer. All right. All right. Make sure we're working on the sounds, right? We're using the short sound, which is marked with the U, and we're using the sound, the A at the end, which is marked with an A, then says Duffer with the D on the beginning. All right, let's go ahead. So duffer, we mark the vowels, we add the consonants. D, if some of you can't hear me, it's the F sound, and A. We'll do the vowels now. U is making its short sound here. Can it say its short sound? No, because there is a vowel in the next 1 or 2 taps. So for it to say its short sound, we have to add another consonant. So if there's not 2, make 2. Now it can say its short sound When you hear on the end, duffer, spell it with an A. Duffer. Okay, all right. Let's try the next one. And if you're struggling now, practice is going to help. It's going to get better. So let's do the next one. The next word I want to try together is brumpa. Listen for the brumpa. And there's a m in the middle. My lips are closing. B, r, a, m, a. Add the vowels. B, r, a. I mean, mark the vowels. B, r, a, m, a. Add the consonants. B, r, a, m, a. Let's add the vowels. B, r, a. Can this make it short sound? Yes, it can, because there is no vowel in the next one or two taps. Now the sound at the end, if you hear at the end, mark it with an A. Rumpa. Okay, so rumpa. Okay, you got to hear that B part. All right, let's do the next one. I want you to try this on your own. The next one is Flander. Flander. Listen for the listen for the n. Flander. L, a, n, d, a. Flander. Flander. Lovely. Great, Lily. Nice camera. Good, Amy. Great, Rowan. Sheldon, you've got an I there. Make sure you're hearing fill, that sound. Okay, flunder. Can I give you a minute longer? At the beginning, Kimberly, you're hearing a b at the beginning. It's a f sound. My lips are not closing, not b. I'm blowing air with my teeth on top of my bottom lip. Flunder. Lovely, lovely, guys. Well done. Well done. Yes. Okay, so what we're going to do is mark the vowels. Now we're going to add the consonants. L, a, n, d, a. Great. Can you add can that U make it short sound a? Yes, it can, because there is no vowel in the next one or two taps. When you hear a at the end, spell it with an A. When you hear at the end, spell it with an A. Flunder. All right. Okay. The next one I want to work together on is Grupana. Grupana. G, r, u, a, n, a. G, r, u, a, n, a. We are using U's today. We're not working on EW. We're working because EW comes at the end of words. Okay? We are working with the letter U. So that's a bit of a clue. I've marked the vowels. I think I'm missing one. Oh, what word did I do? Gru, g, r, u, p. There you go. I'm missing this one. All right, let's add the consonants. G, r, u, a, n, a. All right, can this U make its long sound U? Yes, it can, because there is a vowel in the next one or two taps. Can this U make it short a sound? No. Right now, it's saying oo. It needs to say So I need to add another consonant so that there are no vowels in the next one or two taps. Right now, with the added N, now it can say grew, un. And when you hear at the end, spell it with an A. So guru, n, All right, let's do yours. All right, your side, I want you to do chew pada. Chew pada. Ch for the chocolate. Chew pada. Go ahead. Chew pada. Put your answers in the Q&A. Nice, Lily. Rowan, Rowan, in your previous one, I want you to add another N so that you're making the short sound. Grupana. Add another N, then you'll have two consonants and you won't have a tap two. In other words, you won't have a vowel in the next one or two taps. So right now, as it is on the screen, your U's making grupuna. I want it to be grupana. Okay. So sorry, I went back to Roman's previous one. Let's get back to chupada. So we have ch. CH says ch. U, a, d, a. We want this U to make its long sound. For it to make its long sound, it needs a vowel in the next one or two taps, and it has one. So it's fine. It says chew at the moment. Now we want this U to make its short sound a. At the moment, it has a vowel in the next one or two taps, which means it's making its long sound oo. I want it to say a, so I have to add another consonant. There's not to add to. So chupada, now it can say a, and when you hear a at the end, spell it with an A. Go ahead, mark it down. All right, Sheldon, you just have to change that vowel sound. It's not pada, it's pa, pada, ah. We're dealing with the U saying ah. And Rowan, you heard ande, chupana. I want it to be chupada, da, chupada. All right, Kimberly, change the sh to a ch. CH, not SH. Beautiful. All right, super. And let's see, what's our time looking like? We've got time for more. Good. Let's do another one together. This is a longer one. Let's do ru mastuda. Ru mastuda. B r u m a s t u d a. Plenty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so Buruma Studa. B r u m a s u d a. Bruma Studa. All right, so I'm actually going to put syllables in here. Bru mas to da. So brew, let's add the vowels, I mean the consonants. B, r, u, m, a, s, u, d, a. Now we're going to add the vowels. Brew. This U can't say long U because there is a vowel in the next one or two taps. This U can say ah because there is no vowel in the next one or two taps. Brew must. Tuda, let's say two. This U needs to make its long oo sound, but it can because there is a vowel in the next one or two taps. And the schwa sound at the end is spelled with an A. Brew must tuda. Okay, I hope maybe let me know if putting the syllables in there maybe helped a bit. Yes or no? Okay, let's do your sounds. I want you to spell do, pan, do, pa. Do, pan, do, pa. Do, d, u, a, n, d, u, a. Do, pan, do, pa. Do, pan, do, pa. 4 syllables. Mark your vowels. Do, pan, duper. Okay. Excellent, Amy. Kimberly, do pun. We're working with the sound. And then at the end, I want you to hear do pa, do pa. Oh, sorry. All right, Rowan, I want you to change that O. We're using the sound. So we're not saying dog, dop and duper. Do pan, do pan. I wanted to make its long O sound. I mean, I wanted to make its long U sound. Do pan, duper. Do pan, duper. D in the beginning with the do. Okay, let's go ahead. So we put our consonants in. D, U, he, a, n for naughty. The pan, do pan, do, pa. Do pan, do, pa. Lots of P's, lots of P's, one D. Lots of, actually, two D's, two P's. All right, let's mark the vowels. This U can make its long oo sound because there is a vowel in the next one or two taps. This U can make its short sound because there is no vowel in the next one or two taps. Do pan. This U can make its short sound, its long sound because there is a vowel in the next one or two taps. And the sound at the end is spelled with an A. De U, do, pan, do, de u, pa. Do pan, do pa. Right. So that was a tough one. Do pan. Kimberly, you started perfectly. Finish the word. Do pan. And that O needed to be a U at the end and was perfect. All right. Do pan, do pan. Daryl, great. Just change the A to an and you're on it. Do pan, do. Sheldon, great, except the D at the end is a P, but that could have been my mark. Breaking up the syllables. Thanks. That's good to know. All right, guys. Well done. Well done. And that is it. It's been wonderful. I can't believe how quickly this lesson goes. I love your interaction, your participation, and you know a little bit more than you knew 25 minutes ago. So I'm proud of you. Well done. Keep it going. And remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay because mistakes move us to the corrections and help us get little bits right each time. There is no such thing as perfection. We're all working on this together. I'm proud of you. I'm grateful to be here. And April, we will be with you on Monday. Have a great evening. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon.